welcome to my channel. If you have been here before, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Katie and I am a graphic designer. I'm an online trainer. I'm also a social media strategist. I'm a mentor and I love traveling. But my most important role in my life right now is I'm a mom. So yeah, let's get started. Today our topic will be about Google Drive. So I'll be discussing with you why I love using Google Drive in all the roles that I have mentioned to you earlier when I introduced myself. And today I'll be discussing with you the top 10 benefits of why I use Google Drive. I'm gonna just focus on the benefits of using Google Drive. Right now, I have 100 gigabytes of storage space, and I don't think I need more than that. But later, I'm gonna mention to you the available spaces that you can buy if you decided to upgrade. Let's get to the first benefit why I love using Google Drive. The first one is it's free. So as you can see right now, I already have 100 gigabyte of storage space. That means I'm already paying around 89 pesos per month. But if you are on a free account, that means you have 15 gigabyte of storage space. That's actually pretty high compared to Dropbox, which just gives you 2 gigabyte, and Box, which gives you 10 gigabyte. Now, the catch is that your storage space actually includes your Gmail as well as your Google Photos. I'm going to show you right here the capacity of my Gmail and my Google Photos as well as my Google Drive. So if you want to see, as of the moment, I have used 26.7 gigabyte already of the 100 gigabyte space that I have. So if I click on upgrade storage, it will show me the specific storage space that I've already used. I've had this email for around 9 or 10 years already, so I've managed to clean it up, but I'm not done yet. So that's the next project that I'm gonna be doing. I'm going to be organizing my Gmail, and I've used just around 1 gigabyte of Google Photos. Now, if you want to get more storage, you have to click on this. But before I discuss to you about the storage space, let me give you an idea of what the Google Drive limit is. So what are the things that are not counted towards your limit? So anything you create with Google Docs, with Google Sheets, with Google Slides are not included. That does not count towards your limit. It does not include docs, sheets, and slides that are shared with you as well. So remember that. It will cover pretty much everything in your Gmail account, and it actually does not cover anything that is smaller than 2048 px by 2048 px images. So anything that's lower than that, it's not counted towards your limit, but anything equal to that or higher will be counted towards your limit. So remember those figures. And then it does not include videos that are shorter than 15 minutes. So any videos longer than 15 minutes will be counted towards your limit. All right, so let's go back to getting more storage. How much would it cost, and how much you think you need in order for you to back up everything? So you just have to click on get more storage. So it shows right here, if you have a 100 gigabyte allocation, that means you will be paying 89 pesos per month. And if you have 200 gigabytes, that means you will be paying 149 per month. And for 2 terabytes, 479 per month. You can also opt to pay annually, and you will get discounts here and here. And if you want more storage, let's say you have a little company or a big company and you wanted more space, so you might as well consider getting the 10 terabyte, 20 terabyte, or 30 terabyte storage space. I'm not sure if they offer more than 30 terabytes per month, but if you wanted to get that information, you can probably talk to a Google expert, or by chatting, by calling, or sending them an email. But I have not bothered doing that, so I don't have that answer for you. For now, these are the only storage allocations that I know. Okay, so again, our first point is that it is free. Now let's go to the second benefit. It works practically anywhere. So if you have a desktop, if you have a laptop, if you have Mac, if you have Windows, if you have Android, if you have an Apple phone, if you have an iPad, Google Drive will work in it as long as you have access to your email address. All right, as long as you have a Gmail account, then you can access the same Google Drive in all those different platforms. So nothing is more versatile than that, right? And your files are saved inside a Google server somewhere, maybe in California, I'm not sure. That's an assignment. If you know the answer, please feel free to comment down below so that I'll know. I haven't really tried checking on that, but I might after I record this video. And of course, it's available on demand. So say you need a file, you don't have to always bring your external hard drive because that's where you save or back up your files. What you need to do is just to get your laptop or your mobile phone, access your Google Drive app, and there you go. You can access your file. I'm using the Google Drive app, which is one of the benefits later that I will be discussing. Now, the third benefit is security. Of course, it allows you to protect and share, and you can also control who sees your files. So you, even if you grant access to a person to access your files, you still have the option to just grant viewing access to that person, or you can allow that other person to edit your file as well. So it's really nice. The other benefit would be you can use it to back up your files. Now, if you don't have so much files like I do for now, because I'm always in the habit of just erasing things so that I don't have to deal with so many stuff. Right now, these are just the only folders that I have. So I don't have that much. Right now, my organization process for my folders will be folders in a folder in a folder in a folder. So I only see this much and nothing gets cluttered. Okay. And again, I haven't really used Google Drive for that long because before I didn't really see its importance. So I'm a late bloomer when it comes to Google Drive and I'm loving it. So if you don't have one, go ahead and access and use and abuse your Google Drive. Okay. So now, the fifth benefit would be you can send large files. I was actually trying to save something here. These videos, I won't be able to send this via email. So if I'll send this to my clients, I need to send them via Google Drive or grant them access to a folder in my Google Drive so that I can share with them the files that I need to send them or the files that I need for them to see. Okay. Right now, I think the process is that if you send a big file to a client or to a friend or to a family member, Google automatically creates a Google Drive link that you can share to that person. All right. So unlike before, it will just tell you that it cannot deliver it because it's too big. As I mentioned earlier, the sixth benefit would be it can be accessed using an app, and you can actually download the app for free. So very, very convenient. Now, the seventh benefit is you can connect it to an outside or a third party program. Like on my part, I use Typeform a lot because my questionnaires for my clients and for my students are actually done in Typeform. So the results of those questionnaires goes to a backup or a back end access here in Google Drive. So I'm not exactly sure what the meaning is, but whatever, if say for example a person answers a survey that I sent out, then there's a file here in Google Drive that I can check for the results. I don't have to log into Typeform anymore. Okay, now we go to our next benefit is that you can view the revision of the files. So this is actually pretty convenient if you are sharing the file with someone, or you are in a group or in a team that's accessing the file, because you will be able to see who deleted something or who has changed something. You can see the time when it was changed, and of course you can revert back to the original version of the file if you don't want anything erased. Okay, again, you can track by date and who made the change. Let me see, you can actually see that here in the activity. So you can see that I've moved some items. You can see that I have renamed an item, so that's really convenient. You can see when I created an item. You can see in here if I shared. There you go, you shared 2 items. So really, everything is tracked in Google Drive, and that's a lifesaver. I tell you, I kid you not. That's one of the most important benefits of Google Drive that I really, really like. Now, the 9th benefit would be you can get a shareable link, and you can create a custom URL in bit.ly. So that's how I do it, because I don't want to memorize. Let's pick a file. Let's go to, say, social media and Instagram stories. Okay, now I'm going to right click on this and click on get shareable link. Okay, Google Drive will automatically give me, okay, it closed. Google Drive will automatically give me a shareable link, which I can send out. And you can also set the sharing settings. All right, and then here you can adjust if the person you are sending to would be able to just view it, would be able to comment, or would be able to edit the file. The last benefit that I really like about Google Drive is that it's very easy to organize your files. So there, those are the top 10 things, the top 10 benefits for Google Drive that I really like using. Now, if you have questions, if you have other benefits that you really like and that I did not mention, please feel free to comment down below. Maybe in the future, I'm going to make another edition of this video of this specific topic, and I'm going to include your tip after I try using it. Our topic for tonight, or for today, is really, really short, and thank you again for visiting my channel. I hope you subscribe and click on the bell button as well, so that you will be notified when there's a new video that will be uploaded. Thank you again for supporting me, and I will be giving you more tutorials in the future, and I will be discussing more topics that you can learn from so that you can use it in your graphic design journey. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down.